At the very outset, a group discussion or a GD is one of the critical criteria in the admission process of a B school. It is a formal process based on a formal discussion amongst the candidates on a given topic. The focus of the GD is on the group, both by way of group discussion and group dynamics. The admission process is institute specific, but in a typical GD format, there will be a moderator and a panel of invigilators. There will be 8 to 12 competing candidates. The topic is provided just before the discussion. Candidates will be allowed 2 to 3 minutes of preparation time and 10 to 15 minutes of discussion time. Candidates should begin the GD when prompted by the moderator. The parameters for evaluation could be many, but the foremost ones include content and comprehensiveness of perspective. Secondly, communication skills and other soft skills including interpersonal skills, time management skills, critical thinking skills and creativity. Group behavior that includes comfort with different views and dissent. Leadership skills that include the ability to provide direction and inspiration. There may be 2 types of subjects in a typical GD. It may be a topic-based GD in which there may be 3 kinds of topics. 1. General topics. 2. Current affairs topics. 3. Abstract topics. Second, it may also be a case study based GD where a case having some data on a specific situation is given and the candidates are expected to analyze the situation, define the problem, evaluate the alternatives and provide remedial measures. With limited time available, it often becomes difficult to generate adequate content quickly. So you may adopt a logical approach. That is, you may expand each keyword in the topic to generate content, incorporate the viewpoints of the various affected parties and the stakeholders in the subject, focus on the diverse associated environments like social and cultural environment, political environment, economic environment, the legal environment and the techno-commercial environment. During a GD, you should choose an investigative approach, analyze the subject first, collect, organize and develop your points. Have a positive body language, use effective non-verbal communication, speak slowly, clearly, audibly, always speak on the topic. Use formal language, keep the sentences simple, short, assertive and relevant. Listen intently and intelligently. Always be patient, have a team spirit approach. Enter the GD 4 to 6 times, preferably in the first 6-7 minutes. Introduce 3 or 4 regional points. Build discussion points by providing additional examples or elaborating on them. Always object to the point of view and not to the person. Never be negative. Do not form cartels or subgroups. Talk to the entire group. Be comfortable with dissent. Do not get emotional. Allow candidates to contribute. Gently bring the discussion back if you believe it is drifting or has become chaotic. Summarize or conclude the GD only if you are asked to do so. Thank you.